Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add Google AdSense to your Squarespace website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard right here where you can find all the websites that you own and that you can access. So this is what we can do. We can open up the website that we want to add the Google AdSense for. So go ahead and open it up and it's going to open up this preview page where we can take a look at the preview of the website and now we can get started. So basically guys, as you can see right here in the official support website of Squarespace, we can take a look at how to place Google AdSense ads to our website. Basically what we want to do is to go ahead and open up the ad unit in Google AdSense. So after opening up your ad unit in Google AdSense, you want to open up the Google AdSense account, find the ad unit and copy it. And now we can get started pasting the ad on your site by pasting the code into your code block. So basically guys, after you have gotten your link to your codes from Code AdSense, you want to go ahead and click the edit button. Clicking the edit button is going to enable us to edit our website, and one of the options is going to be called ad block. So you can click ad block, and in this ad block option there is going to be an option for code. Click on code, and this is where we can get started pasting our code for our Google AdSense that's going to appear on our website and that everybody will be able to see. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.